If you are watching this to improve your reading fill in the blanks for the PTE, you are in the right place. I'm here today with question number 4, Aztec Empire. Just a quick note, if you have not watched the first 3 questions, make sure you watch them after this one. As always, you should know that the first step to doing questions of reading and writing fill in the blanks and reading fill in the blanks is finding out what the passage is about. Let's do that. Prior to the arrival of the Europeans, Mexico was a congeries of what and city-states whose own boundaries were unstable. So it's about Mexico before the arrival of Europeans. Keep that in mind, it's going to help you a lot. Let's go to the first blank now. Mexico was a congeries of what and city-states? We have an adjective over here, which is missing. There is already city-states, and it should be what states? So we need an adjective for states. City-state is where the power lies, right? And what states? Let's go down to the options over here. Determine, no. Erasable, no. Ceremonial, no. Exotic doesn't make sense. Emergence, no. Ethnic makes sense, so-called. Placebo. The only one that makes sense is ethnic. So ethnic goes here. Ethnic and city-states. Ethnic state is a city or a town where people of the same culture or ethnicity come together. Prior to the what of the most powerful of these states in the 15th century. Prior to means before. So before the what of the most powerful of these. We need a noun here, and if you go down, the only one that makes sense is emergence. Emergence means appearance or coming into existence. The what triple alliance, popularly Aztec Empire. So you have a title over here, triple alliance. And the only one that makes sense is so-called. So-called means the way people called it. Mesoamerica consisted of cultural regions, what by political elites and spheres of influence. Let's consider different options for this one. That's it. The only one is determined. Determined by political elites. Political elites and spheres of influence means the people who have power. They are rich, they are educated, or in any way they have power. They can make an impact on society. That were dominated by large what centers such as La Venta, Teotihuacan, and Tula. So these are names of what centers. If you come down, you will see ceremonial is the best option. So by large ceremonial centers. While such regions may have been dominant at different times, they were never economically independent of one another. Now let's take a look at the passage with the correct words. Congeries means a group of. Congeries of ethnic and city-states. Prior to the emergence of, that makes sense. The so-called triple alliance, that's also correct. Regions determined by political elites, that's good. And finally, large ceremonial centers. What about the options that we did not use in the passage? So erasable means something that can be erased, like an erasable whiteboard, like an erasable notepad. Exotic means interesting and unusual because it comes from a city or a country far away, like exotic dance, like exotic birds, exotic animals, and so on. And placebo is a false drug or medicine. Basically, they give people something that looks like medicine. It could be a tablet, it could be a pill or something, but in fact, it is nothing. It's not real drug or medicine. It is just there to give that person the feeling that they have taken that drug or medicine. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Hopefully, I will be back with question 5 very soon. Thank you so much. Don't forget to support my friends. When you like the video, when you leave a comment, I have more motivation to make more videos like this. And don't forget to share with your friends. there are people out there who want to have such videos, who want to watch such questions, but they don't know about them. So make sure you share these with your friends. Thank you so much. See you soon.